What is retail design? A well-designed commercial space, otherwise known as retail design, allows shoppers to enjoy the act of buying. Therefore, it is designed in such a way that it creates positive and lasting associations with a brand. Think of those shops that you find at a mall, or those little spaces that offer takeaway food, or maybe a supermarket. All those spaces are well-planned and well-designed. We at Laureate Design School offer this course on advanced level for interior designers, visual merchandisers, architects, or for people of similar field. Retail design is a creative discipline that combines several different areas of expertise together in the design of retail space. Retail design is primarily a specialized branch of architecture, interior design and exhibition design. However, it also incorporates elements of product/industrial design, graphic design, retail ergonomics, and advertising. Retail design has become specialized discipline due to the heavy demands placed on retail space as the surge happening in overall population. Because the primary purpose of retail space is to stock and sell product to consumers, the spaces must be designed in a way that promotes a hassle-free shopping experience for the consumer. If it is retail chain, then it must also be designed visually in such a way that it draws people into the space to shop. The storefront must act as a billboard for the store and should have display windows that allow shoppers to see into the space and the product inside the store. On completion, one can work as retail designer of brand or non-brand commercial spaces, retail design consultant, and retail facility designer. Course highlights: theme, planogram, brand environment, retail. Ergonomics, display cases, display windows, merchandising, retail chain, digital communication, psychology, typologies, flagship store, pop-up store, elements of retail design, silent design, non-design.